Hello, Marga. I am so sorry for not witnessing the most important day in your life, the day you turned 18. All I can say is, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, maligayang araw, and mag-enjoy ka with your family and friends today.
Hi Marga, happy 18th birthday. I really miss you na and sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And ang wish ko lang ngayong birthday mo is siyempre, makamit yung mga dreams mo and healthy relationship, especially sa family and sa kung meron man. And so magpasalamat for being my friend. Thank you for being part of my life. Thank you sa mga memories natin, mga okay na memories. And thank you kasi ng mga dilulu days ko pinapalala mo. So, thank you ha. And really miss you na and sana makita na kita sa birthday mo. Thank you for inviting me. Bye.
Hi Marga, happy 18th birthday. So yun na nga, sabi kasi ni ate mo, gumawa ko ng video. So ito na. So, ever since 6th, 7th grade, kakilala tayo. Buong junior high school, lagi tayong magkakasama. Then, we made memories, fun memories. Mga, minsan nakakainis na memories, diba? Pero, minsan, away pati tayo. So, yun nga. There are always times na magtatawanan tayo. And then, there will always be times na magkaaway tayo. Pero all after that, I still treasure these memories naman. Then, di na tayo masyadong nag-uusap. Then, hanggang umantong na dito sa birthday mo. And ito lang. All I want is for you to be happy and then huwag ka masyadong magpapaka-stress sa buhay mo. Lalo na, graduate ka na and you're already college na. So, always makinig kay ate and then enjoy life.
Hi Marga, happiest 18th birthday sa'yo. I'm very sorry na hindi ako naka-attend. Especially kay Ate Ashrin sa debut niya. So, 2 beses ako hindi naka-attend sa inyo. I'm very sorry talaga kasi hectic talaga schedule ko. I don't know what to resolve at that schedule rin. Kasi ginagawa talaga akong family driver. So, I'm very sorry. Especially kay Tita rin and kay Tito kasi they expect rin naman na makaka-attend yung mga friends niya. So, basically, ito na lang yung pambawi ko. I'm very sorry. So, happiest 18th birthday and looking back at our shared memories from silly childhoods and antics to our adventure of our teenage years fill me with such joy. You have always been a bright light, a true friend, someone I can always count on, and your kindness, your strength, and your unwavering spirit. These are the qualities that make you so special. As you embark on this new chapter, that I am here to celebrate every success and support you through every challenge. May 18th year be filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. Cheers to many more years, friendship, and unforgettable moments, Marga. I'm very supportive here, especially kung saan ka man patungo. We love you so much, and I hope you have a successful ambition and the blessings more to come. Thank you, Marga. Happy 18th birthday. Sorry.
Hi, Marga. Happy birthday. And ayun, and I wish you a happy life.
Hi Marga, happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed your day, especially yung pagiging bagets mo because you're now 18 years old. You're officially a young lady. Hindi mo maiiwasan yun. And you'll face more challenges in life, but always remember that you have a family and friends that you can rely on too, especially your parents and your ate. They love you so much. Always remember and keep within you that you are loved and you are valuable. We are all proud of you. We've seen you become into such a great and amazing person. So, I pray for your success. I pray na lahat ng dreams mo in life, ma-achieve mo siya in God's perfect timing. Happy birthday ulit. And sana mas matangkaran mo pa ng todo yung ate mo. Happy birthday.
Video ka na nga.
Wala pa akong sasabihin.
Hi Ayat or Marga, I just want to wish you the happiest birthday and happy legality to you. My wish to you is of course good health and safety every day. Yun naman talaga yung pinaka-important, and also I can't believe na mag-18 na tayo. I've known since then, and nakikita ko kung paano tayo nag-grow, nakalayo tayo, but still we're just here to support you for pursuing your dreams, and ayun, we love you so much. Happiest birthday and please enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ayet. Advance happy birthday, Ayet. I am filming this on a Thursday night. And ngayon yung deadline nito, kinakram ko siya. Ay, TMI. Anyways, may video greeting ka na sa kaibigan mo artista. Happy birthday! Hindi, joke ko lang. Ano kasi, I'm getting so emotional right now. You know, may papatak ng luha dyan. It's because you're finally reaching adulthood. Nandito ka na sa peak ka na ng buhay mo. And it's making me so proud na you've come this far. Like, I am so proud of you. And my only wish for you is that you achieve the dreams you've always wanted. That you get the things you deserve in life. That's all I want. Gusto kitang makitang manalo sa buhay. And I am always here to guide you. I'm always here to be a friend that you needed when you feel alone. I want you to know that no matter what happens, I'm always by your side. Lagi akong nasa tabi mo. Stalker. I know you'll probably laugh at this kasi hindi ka sanay na hindi ka sanay na napasweet ako. So, I'm gonna let you laugh at this video. Pero sa totoo lang, love na love kita kahit di ka sweet sa akin. Totoo naman, di ka talaga sweet sa akin. Di naman ako sweet sa'yo. Pero despite that, ang tagal na nating magkaibigan. Ganun kasi yung secret. Dapat di ka sweet. But kahit hindi ka sweet, I just know deep inside you, you care. And that's what makes you unique. That kahit hindi mo sabihin, your action says otherwise. And I am so proud that animation of my video naputol kasi na full memory ako. Sorry Anyways, like what I told you, I am so proud of you, and I am very lucky and grateful that you became my friend, that you became part of my life, that I have someone who's as wise as you, as strong as you, and I am so happy that I have someone who can lean on as well. And I want you to know that you're not alone, that we, your friends, are always here for you. No matter what happens, kakampi mo kami palagi. And don't be scared to show your vulnerable side to us kasi tanggap ka namin. We are always with you, no matter what happens. Love you.
Hi, Ayat! And Marga na pala kasi dalaga ka na. Actually, disclaimer lang guys, may script ako kasi mahaba-haba to. So, bear with me. By the time na mapanood mo na to, nasa screen na ako kasi kakonsyaba namin si ate. Because we love you like that. Anyway, happiest 18th birthday, Marga. Marga, Ayat, Margie, lahat na. The number of years that you have been best friends is actually unreal. Ano ba guys? I think almost a decade. Actually, decade na ata kaming friends eh. And you know, that's probably one of the rarest. From our anchor days up until now, we stick by each other. We have been through every phases of our life, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Saka, if I were to repeat my whole entire life, I guarantee that you would still be in it. Actually, I do not have a favorite memory of us. Because every moment that I had with you, I cherish it every time. Bye-bye. And kahit na occasionally lang tayo nakikita nila ate, know that I care for you and I always hope and pray to the highest that you achieve big things in life. Hindi ko na pahabain to. Again, happy legality, happy birthday Marga. I love you. Hugs and kisses. MBPC, GBU, TC. Love you. Bye. Mwah.
Hi, Ayan! Happiest 18th birthday, happy legality. Grabe, parang kailan lang natin. Ano ba gagawin natin sa 18? Pero right now, you're there. And for sure, you are looking so beautiful. Not to flex, pero I have been a friend of Ayan for more than a decade now. Pero ayun, I have seen her grow to the person that she is today. I'm so proud to say that she has been incredible. And ayun, I wish you all the best, Ayan. And I wish that you would succeed. I know that you would succeed in life. And as you grow older, and as you experience a lot more things, I wish that you enjoy every single second of that. Yun lang. I miss you so much. Let's hang out soon, please. Bye-bye. I love you so much.
So, Marga, 18 ka na. Parang kailan lang tumutulong ang sipon natin na ate. Sensya na wala ako dyan ngayon. Lagi mo tatandaan yung sabi ni mama, wag iiyak kasi nakakapangit yun. Kidding aside, sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga goals mo sa buhay. And sana maging successful ka someday. Happy birthday, Marga. Ingat palagi.
Hello, Ayet. Happy birthday, Naning. Sana sa iyong kaarawan, maging masaya ka. Sana matupad mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo, anak. Pasensya ka na kung hindi kami makarating. Alam mo naman na maraming trabaho dito sa probinsya. Kaya mo, anak, babawin na lang kami pag may time. Mag-enjoy ka lang, anak, sa iyong kaarawan. Mag-ingat kayo lagi, kayo ni ate, mag-aral mabuti para matupad yung ang inyong mga pangarap. Okay? So, maraming salamat din sa mga bisita mo, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat at pinagbigyan kanila. Okay? Sana, anak, inuulit ko, pasensya ka na kung hindi kami nakarating. Happy 18th birthday, Ayet, Margaret. I love you, anak. We miss you. Mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan.